Yo, what's going on? Back again. So today we got Python and we got another tutorial. So today we're going to be working with sets, and let's go ahead and get into it. So a set is a collection, is a part of the collection, and it is unordered, and it also is unindexed. So that means it does not have necessarily an order that it places things when you create a set. And there's usually not a way for you to get a certain element out of the set. You usually have to loop through the set in order to be able to get certain items out that you want. So the way you create a set is you give it a name, and then you need to set it equal to curly brackets. Let's throw a few items in here. Let's see, I don't know, applesauce or something. And then let's put pizza, and then let's give it a few numbers that has a decimal place. So if we want to be able to get the values or see what is inside of the set, we can print it out and we can run this. So as you can see here, we can see what is inside of the set. Now, the one thing I do want to say is that you will not know the order that these are in. So if I add an extra element in here or item, I don't know which way this is going to print out. So as we can see, I put that at the end, but this may not actually place the 43 at the end of this set, but we can go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, it actually was rearranged a different way. So it put 43 in the front, or closer to the front, whereas it's in the back when I specified it. Also too, like I said, you don't really have a way of knowing how to get the elements or the items out of the set. So if you want to be able to see what is in the set, you pretty much need to loop through it to try to figure it out. And what do I mean by that? You can use a for loop, and we want to have X loop through the set, and when we loop through, I want to print out the values of X. And as you can see here, we loop through it, and we were able to get all of the different values out by using the for loop and then the end keyword to get the different values out of the set. Now, if I want to be able to check to see if I have a certain value inside of the set, I need to use like the end keyword. So if I want to check to see if pizza is inside of my set, gotta make sure it matches it though. I can just do pizza in set 1, and let's see what this will return. It's true. So pizza is inside of my set, as you can see here. Now, whenever you create a set, you cannot change the different items that you created the set with. So I cannot change this value 1233 out. If I want to be able to do that, I will have to remove it and then add in another value inside of there, if I want to be able to get that out. Now let's go ahead and add some values to the set. So if I want to add some values to the set, I need to use the dot add, and I can just put in a number, say if we want to add that number to the set. So let's do a before print out just to see what is in it, and then a afterwards print just to see what it looks like afterwards. So as you can see here, before we did not have the 5649 up here at the top, and after doing the dot add, it is now inside of the set here. Okay, and then we can also get the length of a set. So obviously, just like any other way of getting the length, you can use the len function and then specify the set that you want to get the length of, and then it will tell us how many items is inside of the set. Whoops, forgot a parentheses. So I have 5 items inside of this set. And then we can also remove items out of the set by using the dot remove. So if I want to remove the first one, all I have to do is put the dot remove, put what I want to remove out, and then I can just print it out to make sure that it was removed. And as you can see, it is no longer inside of the set. And then also too, you can use the pop. So the way that the pop works, it will remove an item, but it usually removes the item from the end of the set. So, and once again, we don't really know how this is ordered inside of the set. So it's just gonna pop one of them out, and then you just, I guess, hope that you get the right one. So let's see what the dot pop does. And did we get it? So which one did it remove? It removed the first one. So the 1, 2, 3, 3. So it removed that one out of the set. And then once again, we don't really know which one it's going to remove. And then you can also join sets together. So let's just do a set 2 and then give it some numbers. Just give it some big numbers. All right. So if we want to join these together, we have 2 sets here, and if we want to join them together, we can do a set 3, which is going to be, I guess, our bigger, or the set that combines both of them together. And then we can do a set 1 and then union, because we want it to union with the second one. So we got the set 1 union with the second one. So it's going to combine both of them together and then create our set 3. All right. And then let's just print out what we get. And as you can see here, we have in our set the union of 1 and 2. So it has all of the values that were in both of the sets. So those are just a quick little overview of using sets in Python. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I can write them down in the comment section, and I can try to help you out or make some more videos for it to be a little more understanding. And I will catch you guys in the next one.